This is a last chance zipper repair. Double diamond coat from Costco. It's still in great shape, but the zipper does not work. It just comes apart, making the coat relatively useless. Let's try two things to see if we can put it back together. First, I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on this. As I look at everything, I don't see any specific damage, no breakage. It's got a metal end to the zipper and looks like a nylon zipper. So I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of oil on it. So just a little bit of oil on a tissue. Going to see whether this can have any effect on it. And let's see if that did anything for us. Nope, still the same, maybe a mild improvement. And finally, let's examine the zipper itself. Perhaps it has gapped out over time and is not putting adequate tension. I'm going to grab a pair of needle nose pliers, put a little tension on it. Squeeze it down a little bit. Let's see what happens now. Some improvement, but still not there, so I'll give it a little bit more tension. And let's check out our result. Well, big improvement, no gapping. Let's try it again. So it's sure looking like a little bit of tension on that zipper has cured the problem. This coat has been saved. That's a last chance zipper repair and it worked. Thank you for watching.